Previously on our Ratchet Thanksgiving.
Well, it's a definite. They're coming.
My name is Tommy, and I am a professional gamer. I am here at my brother's house.
Welcome to my house! Oh
okay.
my gosh!
As long as they have good food.
Man, where's Sarah-Beth? I'm getting really hungry.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey, honey. You know how I told you my family might be coming over for Thanksgiving?
Yeah.
Well, it's a definite. They're coming.
Which one of your family members are coming over?
So, it's gonna be my oldest brother.
My favorite game, Fortnite. I love Call of Duty, League of Legends.
And then my sister, Sarah-Beth, she thinks she's Caucasian.
My name is Sarah-Beth, and I am the second youngest child, you might say, because I have 3 brothers, and then I'm the only girl. Okay, so let me tell y'all what happened for Thanksgiving. Everything was going perfectly fine. I had my suitcase packed, my Caucasian husband. He went to his family, okay? So, you know, I was packing my stuff. I was feeding my dog. Then I get this text from Henry. And me and Henry have not talked in a long time because of his wife. But that's something else. All right, he texted me and I thought it was gonna be like, hey little sister, hey big sister, like what's going on? But he texted me, you're good with the bringing the food, right? And that's when everything turned upside down. Bringing all the food. I don't even have enough alcohol to even cook food right now. And I didn't even know I was going to the Thanksgiving dinner. I guess, brother dearest. He was always mom's favorite. Why can't his wife cook? Why can't his wife cook? You know what they want me to cook? There's nothing in here to cook. I should have never. Okay. They'll still eat it. Okay, peanut butter. I was gonna cook some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, put some little parsley on top, you know, make it a little fancy. Then I was gonna kind of like, you know, toast it up in the oven. Then boom, 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 I went to sleep because my dear Frankie, he was just singing and stuff. And then I woke up to there being smoke in the house. The fire alarm was going off. I ran to the kitchen. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. My grandma, when she was here, she told me that nothing will ever fail if you believe in it. So I got a good plan and I have amazing plans for Thanksgiving dinner.
As long as they have good food.
Man, where's Sarah-Beth? I'm getting really hungry.